God damn, whoa, chill. Look, I know y'all been waiting for the room tour. It's finally here, man. Y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, before we head into that room, man, I gotta show you what we got going on right here. So I got all my jeans on this top section right here. We got all the sponsored jeans in the middle. Shout out to Calabasas, shout out to Rockstar, shout out to, goddamn it, might as well say H&M, all the goddamn clothes I be buying from over there. But look, shout out to all y'all for getting me these clothes though, for real, and also shout out to Thread Beast. Over here, my expensive kind of jeans. Now I've also gotten some sponsors, but on the high end, like no cap. Let me show y'all a pair right here. $3.98, man. Like I said, shout out to Thread Beast, man. I got these for free. The free ski. And then on to the bottom row right here, I got all my sweats, really. All my, shorts. Just like, things I could just change into pretty quick. Throw it on, throw right on. Coming down here, the underwear drawer, you feel me? You gotta have it packed out. If it's not packed out, you need to get some more drawers, my boy, because you should not be running through the same 5 in 1 week and just washing them. You gotta get at least like 3 weeks worth. And down here, just some socks. I ain't gonna lie, I'm too lazy to ball them up, so I just throw them in there. Right here, man, we got my millionaire whiteboard right here. I can't show you everything on here because people gonna be taking my ideas, but this is where I got my schedule, all the video ideas I got coming, takeover plan. You see what it says? I will be a millionaire by 25. That's no cap. Coming right here on the wall. This is probably a good. What size is this, bro? I always get like TV sizes wrong. 30. Yeah, it's a little more. 30 something. 32, something like that. Some slight little smart TV, slight little TV right here just for Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Netflix and chill when it really gets to that time. But we gonna get to that time right now. And then coming down here, y'all know I always have my fish tanks. If you're an OG, you know I always have some type of fish tank. As you can see, it's a little flake trees, you know what I'm saying? I'm really in the forest. This is the rainforest, the drip. This is where all the drip is coming from, you know what I'm saying? So back here, first though, I have just a big mirror so I can see the whole fit. And over here, I got all my other clothes. I go way back over there. This is not all my shoes right here, but this is like the majority of the shoes that I would wear. Down here, there's some slight. I think it's better to have them outside the box so I can just see and pick instead of like choosing them. And then basically right here, I had this in my other house. I had a whole bunch of snacks, and I still do have a whole bunch of snacks. I just haven't refilled this, but in this top drawer, a whole bunch of chips, whole bunch of candy pop Snickers. Come on, man, we got a whole good snacks. Come on. Grab some chips. Like I said, I got more chips upstairs. I just haven't refilled these. But if you watch the day in the life, you would see how I got all these snacks, how we get them in the house. Because I'll be spending like 300 at a time. So make sure y'all go check that out, man, if y'all want to go see that, bro. It's lit. All right, and then with this section, I have the green screen. So right now, first of all, I'm going to add something behind me. Look. Another one. That's crazy. What we're going to do with this, because we have like 4 other bedrooms in here. We're going to make a bedroom with just green screens. So when I'm doing the music videos, it's going to be tight on some Cole Bennett shit, man. Be ready. Now we about to head to the bedside, not the sit-up side yet, because the best is for last. All right, so now we're on this side. Bed, nice little queen size. I ain't gonna lie though, when you in the bed, I be feeling like, damn, there's like so much more room, bro. Let me show you my point of view real quick. So look, bro, it's far. I ain't gonna lie. Like, Joe, from right there, how many steps over to the shoes is it? For real, a good 8?
8, yeah.
That was 8 steps?
7 steps. Well, it's like 8, well, I mean, straight there.
So I said, this room is pretty like good, decent size. And then, Joe, could you go from over there, from the closet where I'm at? Y'all are not, you're not even like, oh, he's not even all the way in the corner. He's like where I was standing at earlier. Come on, man. The Gucci! I don't care, that's all right.
Nah, I didn't step on it.
I saw you step on it from right there. What do you mean I didn't step on it? Hell, that's all step. So as you guys can see, man, from the distance, I can't really tell. That's pretty far. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have to speak actually pretty loud so y'all can hear me. Bro, what the fuck? That's tough. All right, so now we're at like the edge of the bed. I got this extra stool because let me show y'all this. Live on Twitch, by the way, twitch.tv/thekidrj with 2 Ds. I could do like this little podcast way and I could turn it into like a little podcast. If you was in the live stream when I did the IRL prank, you would know. And it's a little lit setup from like right here because it's set up right there. Everything's set up from right here. There's a full 360 to go all the way to the closet when I'm live on stream. So then as you guys can see when I'm live on stream, I can do like getting it ready with me, or I got all this space. Like I said, bro, we've been doing a lot of work. I've been going for a minute, but what it gonna say? If I don't go, if I don't post and I go ghost, it's gonna be for a reason. Yes, sir. And then right here, what we got going on, man, we got a good little mini fridge. Coming over to the wall back here, got the plaques. Gotta blur that out because my old address is on there. But you see, Ronnie J. Johnson and Ronnie got something. I gotta show y'all that this YouTube stuff is not luck. Like, I don't have one, I got 2 of them. I need y'all to stop playing with me down below in the comments. And all these little YouTubers trying to get on me, hey, now that I'm back, I'm on all y'all heads. Oh God, I'm not playing no games. You see what we got going on? Some slide right here. Keep the room humidified, keep the room smelling good. And if you sick, this like the best thing to have in your room, bro, right here. If you ever get sick, bro, you get one of these, you'll be good in like a day. You actually can breathe and shit. Then back here we got these pads that are actually for recording when you're like in the studio for like sound. But I was like, well, you got black and red. You see my black and red theme everywhere. It's all over the place. So I was like, for the stream, I might as well go ahead and have this behind me. So as you can see how it looks, how it's just like red and black in the back. It's clean, but it's clean. Coming right here, man, I got this lamp. Actually, from the person I got this PC from, I'm gonna tell y'all the story about that. Just know I got this PC for a steal, bro, like $600. Probably what, $2,000-$3,000 PC. But basically, he also gave me this lamp as well for free because he was moving. And we have a whole bunch of these bulbs that change colors. So I'll just put that in there. Check this out, check this out. So it's like different types every time you do it. So one that just stays on. One that just like fades. And if y'all see right here, man, the little snacks we got, these are foreign snacks. Hold on, bruh. Red Velvet Oreo sandwich cookie. Y'all have never heard of this. Shout out to Foreign.Eats, man. Hooking your boy up. Like, come on, bruh. What the KFC Lays, buddy? KFC Lays. Come on, it's different. Now, let me show y'all the magic, the whole stream, the whole setup. And yes, sir, I ain't gonna lie, man. I actually love this setup. I'm actually excited to show y'all because like now that I got all this set up, all the streaming stuff, all the YouTube reactions, all that is now on the way. It's here. Not on the way, it's here. Coming right here. I still got my 2019 Mac right here. Let me just show y'all the whole thing. Go ahead, just go ahead and back up and show them real quick, man. Fire, bruh. Yes, sir. We got the monitor on the wall. We got the monitor right here. We got the Ryzen right here. We got the nice PC. I'm gonna show you all the specs and all that. I'm gonna pop that up right here. We got the PS5 that's not even plugged in. Let me show you. I'm actually gonna be selling this, or I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Comment down below. One, if I should do a giveaway, or two, to sell it. Because look at this. Keep this real quick. I got the monitor just sitting on the PlayStation 5, bro. I look, you feeling grateful, kind of like saying that, because I know people want a PS5, but that's the reason why I'm getting rid of it. You know what I'm saying? At least I'm not just having to sit here forever. So that's the reason why. Hey, so one, if I should sell it, or two, if I should do a giveaway for one of y'all. Like I said, y'all can have it. Yeah, so coming right here. So yeah, right here I got this HP monitor. When I used to live in Houston, and if you know, you know where I got this from. Got it from Best Buy for like 50 bucks. Yeah, I got the PS5 controller that goes to that PS5. But when I'm playing Warzone and shit like that, I can connect it and I can play Warzone. So that's what I'll be doing. Coming right here, I got my Focusrite. This is how I make my music. This is all I use. I don't need no goddamn someone there with me. All I need is this and the software, and that's it. And that's how I also stream as well. So if y'all want to know, I'm giving y'all free game. Red Dragon keyboard came with the PC. The main part right here though is this PC, bruh. Yeah. Y'all see that thing, man? It's just a beast. Shit going crazy. I appreciate the guy, like I said, that was selling it because he was moving. I got this PC for $600 plus that, plus the keyboard. And he also gave me a shoe rack that was in there. Goated, bruh, goated. You see what we got going on, man. It's a tough PC. So I popped up the specs because I know a lot about computers, but I don't know too much about computers. So yeah, how's it look, man? Let me know down below 1 through 10 if y'all mess with the setup. 1 being trash, 10 being best of the best. So don't hype me up, cause I know it's not the best of the best, but hey, I'm grateful I got this, blessed that I got this, because I wouldn't have this without y'all, if I'm being honest. So yeah, like I said, we turned up this year, we turned up the rest this year, we turned up next year. Everything is on the way now. Anyone that was talking shit on my name, man, I'm coming for all y'all, man. I was getting everything set up. I didn't have the time, but now I got the time. What Trippy say? What's that mean? Now I got time. Today I got time.
I don't understand why you hate on me, nigga.
We don't understand.
Show love, nigga. It don't show nothing. It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love.
All we doing
nigga.
is getting money.
Show a nigga some love, nigga.
Wabbly dabbly.
Niggas out here don't love me, nigga.